Hi guys, my name is George, and in this short tutorial, we gonna talk about Getresponse and how can you make a form up or a pop-up very easy with Getresponse. You have two models embedded in the page or in a pop-up. Let's choose this, click next. Now we have to pick our templates. It's something if you have you can use it if you have an offer, if you have a discount for one product. It's a simple way to get the customer engaged to purchase something. I recommend you that you should use a, a very clean one, not something that is crowded, something to look very clean. If you want to encourage people to follow you on Instagram, you can use this form. It's very easy. You have here. You can only the only thing that you have to do is put your Instagram link here, edit. If you want to change the font, the text, the color, the background, you can change the background of all the form. Uh, if you want to change here, follow us. You put your link or a landing page link for a website document, wherever you want to go. You can change the appearance of this. If you want to do it like this, you have more styles over here. If you want to change it, maybe you like this one, so you should use it. Your username, if you want to put it there, you can do it wherever you like. You can, and here you make a preview. It's very clean, it's engaging. You just click next, and now you have to connect it to your website. You add your website URL, or if you want to put it on uh, more than one website, you can add another one. And or if you want to put it on specific pages, you can choose this, and you put only the URL here, and it's very easy. And if you want to connect with your web, you just click this and connect your Getresponse with your website, putting that code on your header, and save and publish, and this is it. As you see, it's very easy. You don't have to be a specialist to do it. It's very intuitive. If you want to purchase Getresponse, you can choose it from my affiliate link in my bio of my YouTube channel. I hope it was helpful. Have a nice day. Bye bye.